I turned a diaper into instant snow. You are not going to believe the secret that's hiding inside a normal, everyday baby diaper. Seriously. Forget whatever you think is in there. It's not just cotton. It's not just fluff. There is a bizarre, almost magical scientific powder hidden inside, and it has the power to do this. What you're looking at right now did not come from a can of commercial fake snow. It wasn't ordered from some chemical supply store. This entire bowl of fluffy, cool, incredible-feeling snow came directly from one of these. It seems impossible, I know. It looks like something from a sci-fi movie, but I promise you, it is 100% real, and you can do it, too. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find this secret ingredient and unleash its power to create your very own indoor blizzard. This is one of the coolest and strangest experiments I have ever done, and it all starts with one of the most common items on Earth. So, how do we get from this unassuming, frankly boring, baby diaper to a literal mountain of wintry fluff? It just doesn't seem to make sense. When you hold a diaper, you think of its one, very obvious job. It's made to absorb liquid, end of story. We see them, we know what they do, and we don't give them a second thought. But that's where the secret is hiding. The question isn't that it absorbs liquid, but how it does it so well. Most people would guess it's just stuffed with a massive amount of cotton. And while there is some of that in there, it's not the hero of our story. The real magic is in a substance you can barely even see. Hidden deep inside the padding is a tiny, almost invisible, granular powder. It looks like a sprinkle of fine-grained salt or sugar. There's hardly any of it. But this humble powder is the key to everything. It's a scientific marvel hiding in plain sight, and we're about to give it a whole new purpose. The premise. Unveiling the mundane. Okay, so how do we actually do this? You're going to laugh at how simple the materials list is. First, you need one clean, totally unused baby diaper. Has to be new, otherwise, well, you'll be doing a very different kind of experiment, and trust me, you don't want that. Next, you need a bowl. A clear one is best so you can see the magic from every angle. You'll need a pair of scissors. And finally, the ingredient that kicks off the magic. Plain old tap water. That's it. No complicated chemicals, no specialty equipment. You probably have everything you need in your house right now. This whole experiment is about contrast. We're taking something incredibly ordinary and turning it into something spectacular. Diapers are the definition of practical. They're engineered for one single, unglamorous job. But inside that piece of engineering is a scientific principle that, when you isolate it, creates pure wonder. We are essentially hacking the diaper, taking its core technology and pushing it to the most visual and entertaining extreme possible. But before we get to the magic, we have to perform a little careful surgery to get that secret ingredient. This is where it gets interesting. Grab your bowl and scissors. Let's dissect a diaper. The harvest, extracting the secret powder. All right, this part feels like a treasure hunt. You'll want to do this over your bowl or a tray, because it can get a little fluffy. Take your diaper and lay it flat. With your scissors, make a careful, clean cut right down the middle of the soft inner lining. Don't just shred it. A single incision from end to end is perfect. Now, gently pull the layers apart. The first thing you'll see is a bunch of white, cottony fluff. This is the padding most people think does all the work. But as you dig around in it with your fingers, you'll feel something else. Mixed into that fluff are tiny, gritty granules. It feels like fine sand has been sprinkled all through the cotton. That is our treasure. That is the super-absorbent polymer. Our mission is to separate this powder from the fluff. The easiest way is to pull the padding out, hold it over your clear bowl, and just start shaking and pulling it apart. The fine powder will fall and collect at the bottom. It's a little tedious, but so worth it. Shake it, sift it, let gravity do the work. The light cotton fibers will mostly stay in your hands, while the denser powder drops into the bowl. After a few minutes, you can set the leftover cotton aside. Now, look into your bowl. It's kind of hilarious, isn't it? After gutting that whole diaper, you're left with almost nothing. A tiny pile of white powder, maybe a teaspoon's worth. Your brain is telling you there is no way this little pile of dust is going to become a big bowl of snow. It looks like it would barely soak up a few water droplets. And that, my friends, is what makes the next part so mind-blowing. This tiny pile is about to shatter your expectations. The science. What is this stuff? Before we unleash the blizzard, let's quickly talk about what this mystery powder actually is. The substance is called sodium polyacrylate. In the science world, it's known as a super-absorbent polymer, or SAP. It was first developed way back in the 1960s by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, which was looking for ways to improve water conservation in soil. This polymer is a marvel of chemistry. Each tiny grain is a long chain of molecules linked together, kind of like a net. It also contains sodium atoms. Through a process called osmosis, when water shows up, it rushes into the polymer's network to balance the sodium concentration. This makes the whole structure swell up like crazy. The links in the polymer chain keep it from dissolving. Instead, it just keeps expanding and trapping water inside a gel. Just how absorbent is it? A single grain of sodium polyacrylate can absorb anywhere from 300 to 1,000 times its own weight in water. In a diaper, its job is to grab liquid and lock it away in that gel form, so it won't leak. For us, its job is to put on a show. All right, the moment of truth is here. The stage is set. We have our small pile of science dust. We have our plain water. The laws of physics are about to get weird. If you're as excited as I am to see this tiny spoonful of powder erupt into an indoor snowstorm, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You have no idea what other strange science we have planned, and you won't want to miss a thing. Okay, deep breath. You ready? Let's make some snow. The big reveal. The magic moment. I need you to watch the bowl very closely. Don't even blink. I've got my cup of water, and I'm going to pour it right on top of this little pile of powder. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Pour. Look at that. It is instantaneous. The transformation is immediate and almost violent. The second the water hits the powder, it doesn't dissolve, it erupts. It's like an explosion in slow motion. The powder vanishes, and in its place, this fluffy white stuff just starts growing, climbing the walls of the bowl like it has a mind of its own. It's just unbelievable. A second ago, a tablespoon of dust. Now, the entire bowl is filled to the brim with what looks and feels exactly like a fresh pile of snow. It just keeps expanding, soaking up every last drop of water. This is the wow factor in its purest form. It's a physical reaction, so fast and dramatic it feels like a special effect. That tiny bit of polymer has turned into a massive mound of fluff. How cool is that? Now for the best part, let's feel this stuff. Exploration and payoff. The indoor blizzard. Okay, I'm going in. Whoa. The first thing you notice is the temperature. It feels genuinely cool to the touch, a lot like real snow. That's because the water is constantly evaporating from the gel's massive surface area, which creates a cooling effect. The texture is even weirder. It's incredibly light and fluffy on top, but if you squeeze it, it's got a squishy, jelly-like feel underneath. And it's not wet like you'd expect. You can run your hands all through it. And they come out almost totally dry. Because the water is trapped inside the polymer structure, you can try packing it into a snowball. It holds its shape for a second, but it's much more crumbly than real snow, since it doesn't have those icy bonds. But for just running your fingers through it and enjoying the bizarre sensory experience, it's top tier. It's soft, cool, squishy, and not sticky at all. You could make a whole winter wonderland in a tray. Grab some action figures and create a snowy landscape. You can even take the experiment further. What happens if you add salt? If you sprinkle salt on top, it actually breaks down the polymer and causes the water to release, melting the snow right before your eyes. Or, next time, add a drop of food coloring to the water before you pour it in and create snow in any color you want. The possibilities for play are endless. Conclusion and safety warning. And there you have it. We have officially hacked a baby diaper. We took one of the most ordinary objects you can imagine, performed a little surgery, and unleashed a hidden scientific marvel to create a giant bowl of incredible instant snow. All thanks to the amazing properties of that super-absorbent polymer, sodium polyacrylate. From a pinch of dust to an indoor blizzard, it's one of the most rewarding and surprising DIY science experiments you can do. Now for a very important final note on safety and cleanup. This stuff is considered non-toxic and is safe to touch. However, it is a chemical, and it absolutely must not be eaten. Keep it away from small children who might be tempted to taste it. And most importantly, when you are done, dispose of this snow in the trash. Do not, under any circumstance, wash it down the sink or flush it down the toilet. Its entire job is to expand and clog things, and it will do a fantastic job on your pipes, creating a plumbing nightmare you do not want. So please, scoop it up and put it right in the garbage can. Thanks for joining me on this weird and wonderful science adventure. I hope you're inspired to look for the magic hiding in unexpected places.